Welcome back, students. This video is the second part of the chapter Sentences, Simple, Compound and Complex. I hope all of you have gone through the first video of this chapter. In the prior video, we learned about what sentence is, what are the different kind of clauses, what are the different types of sentences, that is simple, compound and complex. And so today we will learn about the transformation of sentences, that is transforming one form of sentence into another. So, before going into transformation of sentences, let us revise what are the three kinds of sentences. The simple sentence. Simple sentence means the sentence that have one subject and one finite verb. Compound sentence means the sentence that is made up of two or more coordinate clauses. And complex sentence. Complex sentence is made up of one principal clause and two or more dependent clauses, or one or more dependent clauses. Now see, transformation of sentences. A simple sentence can be converted into a compound sentence by expanding a word or a phrase into a clause. Means we can transform a simple sentence into the compound sentence by transforming or by expanding a given word or a given phrase into a clause, or by using the coordinating conjunction to connect the clauses. How? See, driven by rain, he took shelter under a tree. Driven by rain, he took shelter under a tree. My simple sentence. Now see how we will change it into compound. We will be expanding the phrase driven by rain. He was driven by rain and took shelter under a tree. At first we expanded the phrase in the given simple sentence and then we joined the both sentences using our coordinating conjunction, that is and. He was driven by rain and took shelter under a tree. Now see, a simple sentence can be converted into a complex sentence. How? By expanding a word or a phrase into a subordinate clause, which can be a noun clause, an adjective clause or an adverb clause. And that clause can be a noun clause or an adjective clause or an adverb clause. See, example of noun clause. He liked my suggestion. He liked my suggestion. It is a simple sentence. Now how we are changing into an complex sentence? He liked what I suggested. This is my noun clause. Next is adjective clause. There I saw a beautiful girl. Now how we are going to change it in complex sentence? There I saw a girl who was beautiful. As we all know that beautiful is an adjective, and thus we are changing our simple sentence into an adjective clause and we are transforming that sentence into a complex sentence. Next is your adverb clause. See, on being challenged, they ran away. Simple sentence, on being challenged, they ran away. Next, when they were challenged, they ran away. This is how we are changing into a complex sentence. We change the simple sentence into a complex sentence. Okay, now let's come to the exercise. See, the first question is, identify the following sentences as simple, compound or complex. Identify the following sentences as simple, compound or complex. That means in the particular sentences you have to identify which sentence is what. You have to classify them into the three groups, that is simple, compound and complex. For example, Garima will go where you are going. Garima will go where you are going. So this is my complex sentence. As we have two parts. See, Garima will go. My principal sentence. Where you are going becomes my dependent clause. My principal clause and my dependent clause. And thus this is a complex sentence. Next, the sky is blue. Simple sentence. There is no compound, there is no complex. The sky is blue is my simple sentence. Now, I like to go there because my brother lives there. I like to go there because my brother lives there. This is a complex sentence. I have told about the three sentences and the rest will be your homework. Okay, the rest questions will be your homework 4 to 10. Now come to number B. Change the sentence given below into compound sentence. Means you have to transform the sentence into compound sentences. See, the journey was very long. I was afraid to take it. The journey was very long. I was afraid to take it. So the answer will be, the journey was very long, so I was afraid to take it. Okay. The next 4 will be your homework. Okay. Now see, change the sentences given below into complex sentences. I finished the work, I went out. I finished the work, I went out. You have to change it into complex sentences. So, you will be changing it as, when I finished the work, I went out. When I finished the work, I went out. You will be writing in one sentence. When I finished the work, I went out. And the next 2 will be your homework. Is it clear, students? The next 2 will be your homework. So for your homework, you will be doing question A 4 to 10, question B 2 to 5, question C 2 and 3. Clear? So goodbye for now. Stay home, stay safe and learn properly. Okay?